Well, the first one, of course, is that people think that they have to be drunk to get a DUI. That's the biggest one. People think, and that's the thing I hear a lot on the phone or when I meet clients in person, is that, well, I wasn't drunk. And that's why they have all these ads out there that say buzzed driving equals DUI. It really comes down to, I mean, the way substances affect a person can be subtle at first. It has to do with minor, it's physical and mental. So yeah, so that's one of them. The other one is everyone seems to believe that they did the field sobriety test perfectly. I mean, almost everybody that calls me. I did the field sobriety test perfectly. The problem there's a lot of problems there. I don't highlight field sobriety tests in the same way a lot of attorneys do in trials because I want to downplay them and we can talk about that if you want. I mean, we could get into a lot of detail. But really, it's about the driving, and jurors tend to be less or more cautious about the evidence being presented on someone on the side of the road. And there's standardized and there's non-standardized tests, and they can tend to add weight to the case, that kind of thing. But everyone seems to believe that. Well, part of the problem is that officers are going to they're going to try and be your friend. They're going to try and get you on their side. Oh, that's good. Oh, yes, you're doing great. They just want to gather more evidence. They're not really at that point trying to determine whether or not they're going to arrest you. They already know they are. Driving on private property. Some people think that if you're in a parking lot or you're on private property that you can't get a DUI, and that's not true.